guys, here I am at the Walmart, and I thought we'd take a look at their furniture section over here. We'll start out with the lamps and see what they have over here. I don't think I've walked through this section. Okay, so look at these lamps, guys. Very nice looking lamps. I don't think I've noticed. That must be a new style. Those are $19.96. This one here is $34.92. So those are the two kinds they have. Then you have these string lights, which I think are absolutely gorgeous. Those are $11.83. Then you have these dust LED, long lasting. These lamps here are $6.88. There they go in the pink. These are the gold tone. And here's the blue, the black, and I think this is the white, but the white one is a different design. Let's see. Then they have these Himalayan pillar lamp, $22.94, and those are your lava lamps over there. They range from $9.94 to $22.94. Okay, guys, so here are the lamps over here. Isn't that elephant lamp like really pretty? I'm liking that, and also the shape of the shade. So that's $34.97, and then you have these lamps over here. I'm just showing you the styles, guys. Then we come over here because sometimes they sell the shades separately. So here are the lamp stands, the bases. This one here reminds me of I don't know why that reminds me of a mason jar, but it's not shaped like one, but it reminds me of it. So those are like $19.88 and then $23.93, and that's your regular wooden one. This has it's a small lamp too, but I'm loving the color of that rub bronze. That's $19.88. And then here are the lampshades, guys. So depending on the lampshade, depends on the cost. So they can range from $7.94 down to $12.92 for these lampshades. And then you have the bigger lamps now. So this one here is very pretty. I'm really liking that. That's $34.92. And then this wooden one, you see that, guys? $32.92. Then you have these right here. Aren't they pretty, guys? So those range $19.88 to $32.92. Then you have your even bigger ones right here, and those start out at $24.93. And the bigger they get, the more money they are. So the highest one I see here is $49.93 for these big ones. And you have some more lampshades over here. And then these are the stand-up lamps, guys. So the stand-up lamps, like this one right here, is on the bottom, your basic lamp, $19.74. Here it is in the gold tone and the black. And so these are pretty basic. These are the ones with the two lamps, and those are $13.67 and then $8.94. So you have the same thing here, and then you have these kind of lamps, guys. Look at that one. This is the one that curls over the couch. Then you have those right here. This one right here, this Chinese lamp I call it, is $63, and that one next to it is $80. That one right there. That's a beautiful piece of furniture. And I'm loving this table here. This end table right here comes with the lamp already with it. I think that's pretty neat. You see it here? $73 for that one. See, so they have it over here. So if I come over here, these are your TV stands. So this one here is $319. And if we come down here, we have this kind, and this is $289, guys. Then you have this kind of TV stand, and this is $259. I'm liking the wood though; it's really nice. And then these are the ones that hold your screen, your flat screen TVs. This one I think is rolled back, and that one is $149 for that one. And the one next to it is also $141. That one looks bigger. So that must be rolled back. And then here's a wooden one. But this one doesn't have the stand, the flat bracket in the back to hold the TV. It just looks like a TV stand. And these are the little seats for the little guys. They're so cute. Okay, so the collapsible bins here are really nice because look at this. This one has like a metal lever, and then some of them have tassels, but look at this one. That's very pretty. See, this one over here has a tassel. So, and this one over here has the wooden, it's like a collapsible storage ottoman on the bottom. That's really nice. So you have that. Then you over here you just have your organizers, guys. So those can range. Let me see the 9 compartment. No, the 6 compartment one is $29.24. The 3 cube one is $25.47. That's what it looks like. Then they also have it in black. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, this is an ottoman, a collapsible ottoman, but I don't see the. It's probably $29.24. So, and then you have your shelves over here, and they range like 62. This one over here, this bookshelf, 3-tier bookshelf, is $43.98. Then you have, I like this bookshelf, a 3-tier bookshelf. Let me see what price it is. That's $59. And then here's your desk. I can't get underneath there to see. But this TV stand over here is $84. This is the futon. So I don't see a price on there. But then they have a different type on the bottom. It's $159.99. Then this one right next to it is $139.99. This gray one right here is $139. And then here's some ottomans. These ottomans right here, I'm pretty sure they store. Yeah, they hold storage. So those are $48.24. And then these are like faux leather chest ottoman. But I don't see a price for those. And then this is like, this must be like a couch that opens up into a bed. I don't see a price for those there. But here's some more of the storage ones. And then here's a 2-seater table, unless that's a 4-seater. I can't tell because there's no boxes down here. The dining set on the bottom. Okay, $169, and I do see it's seats 4. Like you can get 4 chairs for it. And then here's a futon for $139.99. So guys, I thought I'd show you real quick the little furniture section they have over here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I thank you, and I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video.